Hello, my name is Ted Corliss. I've been a lawyer now for over 20 years, and during that time frame I've had an opportunity to participate in a variety of trials in multiple states. The kinds of things we've tried have involved everything from allegations of crime, both in state and federal court, but also in civil matters where I represent policyholders against insurance companies who refuse to honor the terms of their contracts and policies. But today I'm here to talk to you about a criminal matter associated with Michael Slager. Now, Michael Slager is a name you may not recognize, but his victim is one you probably will. His name is Walter Scott. A video was produced in the summer of 2015 that showed a police officer, Michael Slager, Officer Slager, pulling over Walter Scott on the side of the road. The minute he stopped the car, Walter Scott got out of the car and immediately started to run. Officer Slager chased him, and once he got close enough, took out a gun, fired it several times, killing Walter Scott, what appeared to be, in my opinion, for no reason. He was not, at that particular time, a threat to anyone in the immediate vicinity, and it's my understanding that at the time that the officer encountered him, he was not aware of whether or not he even had any outstanding warrants. Recently, however, just a few weeks ago, Michael Slager was tried for this particular crime, and it was in a city of North Charleston, but ultimately resulted in a hung jury. Now, what I mean by that is that when you pick a jury in a criminal matter, you have 12 jurors. 11 of the 12 jurors voted to convict Slager for the death of Walter Scott, but one juror held out. The deliberations continued for days until ultimately the juror provided a note to the judge that clearly indicated to the court that they would not be reaching a verdict unanimously, and a unanimous verdict is required. Now, in this particular situation, it's important for us to understand what happens next. You see, you can't be tried for the same crime twice. That's called double jeopardy. But in this particular situation, because the jury hung, the prosecutor in North Charleston can refile and charge him again. It's just a simple component of the justice system that we have. You can take a case like this, where it is so obvious what the facts are, but the jury ultimately cannot reach a conclusion regarding what the ultimate punishment should be. The defense attorney representing Slager moved for a mistrial, meaning that he was asking that the court not only dismiss the trial, but also dismiss the charges, but the judge denied that motion. And now, the prosecutor in North Charleston is preparing to try Slager again. We'll see what the next result will be. This is American justice. It's not a perfect system, but we believe to be the best system in the world. Sometimes it moves slowly, and families, like the family of Walter Scott, may have to wait months or years or even decades sometimes for the justice that they deserve. Let's hope they get it. If you have legal questions you believe we can help you with, or you just have questions you want answered, we'd love to hear from you. Again, my name is Ted Corliss. Go to our website at www.corlissbarfield.com. Be well.